everyone, I'm going to show you a tutorial today called the Faux Fishtail Braid. It's a really simple technique that you can use for school or in your hair ups. It's just a really easy, cheap way of doing a fishtail braid without having to take the time, because the strands when you're doing it in the usual way can be quite time consuming. So this is just an easy way to help you do it. So what you're going to need to do is take the section that you're going to be using. So I'm going to use, I'm going to do this into a half up style today. So I'm literally just going to add the hair into my hand like so, and then fasten that section of hair with the hairband. Okay, just because I'm not going to use the hair underneath, I'm just going to put it out of the way because it's very easy for hairs to join in when they're not invited if you let them stay loose, whereas if you put them up out of the way, then it's a lot easier to do. So I've got my section here. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and smooth and there are no knots, because there's nothing worse than trying to braid when you have knotty hair. Okay, so I've got my section in the middle. Now then, all you do is collect another hairband and then come a little bit further down your ponytail like so and add your hairband in. So we've now got essentially two hairbands. We're going to split the middle, and then you're going to take two fingers up through the middle, wiggly fingers, grab that ponytail and poke it all the way through. Okay, so you've ended up with this like flipped section. Okay, now you can just leave it as it is here, or you can do what I like to do, which is called pancaking, and basically you're just going to use your pincers to pull some very small sections at the side and just make your braid a lot fuller. Okay, when you've done that, you can just split the hair in two and just fasten it slightly, just to make sure you haven't got any holes in the middle. And then we'll be carrying on doing the same thing again a bit further down. So again, add another hairband. Try and keep the distance between the hairbands the same all the way down. Just makes it look a bit more uniform. And then again, split the hair through the middle, wiggle those fingers through, and then flip it over. Going to tighten it up slightly. Okay, and then I'm just going to pancake again. So I'm just going to pull these sections out at the sides just to make this braid look a little bit fuller. Okay, and then I'm just going to split the bottom in half and tighten it up. So you can see now that I've got two of these sections. So I'm going to go for a third one. So again, putting another hairband a little bit further away again, trying to keep that distance the same all the way down. Then split the hair into the middle, grab that ponytail and pull it through, tighten it up slightly, and then go for your pancaking. Now obviously as you get further down the hair you have less of it to work with, but you know, you can just pull it out until you're happy with it. And there you have your faux fishtail. So all I've got to do now is take out that temporary hairband that I put in to keep the hairs out of the way. Just have a look at it. Make sure that you're completely happy with it. And there you have your faux fishtail braid. So it's a really nice, pretty, easy one to do. You could even do it with one each side. You could do it in bunches. You could do a whole ponytail. The options are endless, but it's just a really nice easy technique to do. So let me know if you try it, and thanks for watching.